Hello, my name is Tina Gverović. I'm the course leader for BA Fine Art Sculpture and an artist working across sculpture, drawing, painting, and sound. My own art practice often takes form of immersive, disorientating installations that engage with space, territory, and identity, and how these concepts are bound to memory and imagination. Sculpture sits within Camberwell's fine art program, alongside painting, drawing, and photography. It's a supportive, inclusive environment where students regularly collaborate on events, exhibitions, and shared creative projects. BA Fine Art Sculpture course focuses on thinking through making, using hands-on creative processes as a way to explore ideas and understand the world around us. We encourage students to experiment with both traditional and digital sculpture techniques, from ceramics and casting to 3D modeling and stop-motion animation. Alongside this, we emphasize global art history, critical theory, and sustainable practices, helping you think critically about materials and your role as a maker. You'll also learn to present your work professionally in galleries and public spaces. Our graduates go on to work in a wide range of creative roles, both in UK and internationally. At the start of the course, you'll get inducted into our wide range of workshops and begin building core skills through hands-on making. You'll work on individual and group projects and start developing ideas with confidence, engaging with fundamental questions regarding material choices. We ask key questions early on. What materials do you choose? Where are they sourced? How much do you use? Asking those questions encourages you to engage with materials both critically and responsibly, and to understand your role as an artist in a changing world. Studying in London gives you access to a global multicultural art scene. We take regular trips to galleries and museums to connect with the professional art world. You'll be introduced to a range of professional artists to help you understand where your work might sit in the wider art context. As you progress through the course in Year 2, you'll take part in off-site projects to showcase your work and gain real professional experience. This image is from a recent Year 2 show in Copeland Gallery, where you are able to see the ambition and scale of Oliver Frontini's work using clay, tiling, and engraving, and Evelyn Limerick's fragile sculpture using brass, copper, and found wood. As you progress, you'll begin to develop your own specialisms, refining key skills and building confidence in your practice. For example, this image shows work by Ollie Davis-Luthers, who is interested in wearable sculpture and the overlaps between objects and performance. There are a lot of opportunities to show and talk about your work and receive feedback from a variety of staff members and peers across all years. Throughout the course, you'll explore the relationship between people and objects, considering the social, cultural, and environmental context in which objects are made and consumed. This exploration builds towards your final year. Understanding this connection between the human and material world will help you develop strong and grounded practice. Although playful and humorous, this is an image of practice that is developed vigorously and over time with a great deal of critical analysis alongside intuitive processes of making. We aim to help you develop resilient and confident practice that can be applied to a wide range of professional settings as you begin to define your practice and its place in the wider world. In this work, experimentation across a range of techniques reflects broad and interdisciplinary nature of contemporary sculpture, exposing you to professional situations and emerging theoretical ideas will establish your independence as an artist and decision maker. In Year 3, students take part in an off-site public exhibition, working collaboratively across courses to present work to a professional standard. This image shows work by Zi Yang, whose work is exploring the changing role of the artist within cultural and economic contexts, broadening the idea of an artist agency beyond galleries. Year 3 culminates in the degree show, and throughout you'll build the professional skills needed to move confidently into life after college, whether that's further study, creative work, or your own practice. We're really looking forward to seeing your portfolio and reading your statement of interest as part of your application. Students have the opportunity to take on work placements with past roles, including positions in educational and curatorial settings, such as Tate, Chisenhall Gallery, or special environments like foundries. Between Years 2 and 3, you can choose to take diploma in professional studies or diploma in creative computing. Both are optional, but fully integrated and assessed as part of your course journey. There is also the chance to join the college's international exchange scheme, with recent students studying abroad in Leipzig, Madrid, Marseille, Milan, New York, and Tokyo. This image shows a recent trip to Vilnius Academy of Fine Arts, where students joined the NIDA Art Residency and explored a pioneering reforestation project featured by the Venice Architecture Biennial. The skill you learn in sculpture applied to a huge range of careers. We place strong emphasis on preparing students for future engagement across both academic and industry settings. As a result, our graduates go on to become professional artists, curators, art critics, art directors, consultants across the creative industries, practitioners in public art, teachers, lecturers, and art therapists, professionals in museums, galleries, and schools, experts in exhibition design, technicians in galleries and museums, and work as set designers, prop makers, or art fabricators. As part of your next steps, read course webpage. Visit us as part of college tour or open day. Check out UAL's portfolio advice webpage and apply on ucas.com. Use the scholarship search tool to check what financial support is available, and for international applicants, check if there is a UAL representative in your country. Very much looking forward to meeting you soon. Thank you for watching.